Hello friends, as we all are aware of the fact that skin is the largest organ of the body and also most importantly protective cover of our body. Skin quality varies in every individual as per the age, sex, genetics and the occupation. A person's skin is very delicate and it also reflects the one's beauty, image and character. Skin is multi-layered microscopically and it contains many glands, pigment cells, hair bulbs, immunity cells, blood vessels, nerves, etc. Minute variation in any of these can result in the diseases we see on the skin. Diseases include like acne, fungal infection, hair loss, vitiligo, psoriasis. Hence, skincare is of utmost importance for everyone to own a healthy and glowing skin. One should also be vigilant while choosing a board certified skin specialist to attain these goals. So one should know to identify these qualified doctors and their professional skills to resolve skin related issues with a holistic approach. Dermatologist is a board certified skin specialist who treats all kinds of skin, hair, nail, oral and genital mucosal diseases in all age groups, that is children, adults as well as old age people. Dermatologist has extensive training in medical college of more than 12 plus years. After successfully completing post-graduation, dermatologist gets registration number from State Medical Council or Medical Council of India and becomes board certified. Hence, one should always look for State Medical Council registration number so that you know that you are getting treatment from a qualified dermatologist and avoid treatment from quacks. IDVL and State Medical Council are the standard boards which provide certification of qualified professional. Dermatologists can diagnose and treat more than 3000 types of skin, hair, nail, mucosal disorders as well as aesthetic issues. Newborn, children, adults and old age people all can be treated by board certified dermatologist. Common pediatric skin diseases treated by dermatologists are atopic dermatitis, that is dry skin diseases, bacterial and viral infections like impetigo, chicken pox and insect bite. Elderly, also called as geriatric skin issues treated by doctor are dry skin, stasis eczema, varicose ulcers, bed sores, etc. A dermatologist treats wide spectrum of skin diseases. Common skin diseases include ringworm, also called as tinea, herpes, pimples, psoriasis, vitiligo. Non-healing wound. Non-healing wound is treated by regular dressings, plasma therapy, daycare surgical treatment, etc. There are various types of skin cancers which need to be diagnosed at the earliest. It can be treated as per the stage of the disease either surgically or via medical treatment. Common hair diseases treated by the dermatologist include hair loss, dandruff, dull grey lusterless hair. Common nail diseases include fungal infection, ingrown toenail, congenitally deformed nails, etc. Oral and genital mucosal disorders treated by the doctor include lichen planus, candidiasis, vaginal or penile discharge, genital warts, sexually transmitted diseases, etc. Dermatologist also treats various kinds of immune-related skin disorders like pemphigus, bullous pemphigoid, genetic diseases, congenital skin diseases, etc. Dermatologists perform diagnostic skin biopsies to identify and confirm skin diseases and also to see the progression of the skin disease. Dermatologists are also expert cosmetologists and provides treatment for wide variety of cosmetic concerns like scar treatment, treatment of hypertrophic scar, keloids, which includes injections, silicone sheets or removal, treatment of burn scars and contractures depending on site and the degree of the burns involved, removal of skin tags, corns, moles, warts by using RF cautery, Removal of small fluid-filled bags called as cysts via surgical removal. Small fatty lumps on the body called as lipoma removed via excision with scarless surgery. Also chemical peel treatment for acne, that is pimples, pigmentation, acne scars. Acne scars are also treated by derma roller. Platelet rich plasma therapy is available. Hair loss treatment done by derma roller, PRP therapy. Also hair transplant is done by the dermatologist. Tattoo removal either via laser or surgical excision. Removal of unwanted hairs on any part of the body using laser hair reduction. Skin rejuvenation treatment such as hydrofacial, dermabrasion done for instant glow, also acne scars, Botox and filler treatment done for wrinkling and saggy skin. Also there are lip fillers which is popular nowadays, done to increase the volume of the lip and also the shininess of the lip. Removal of stretch marks done via ointments, lasers and derma roller therapy. Also PRP therapy can be done for the stretch marks. Microblading is a new technique in which the volume of the eyebrows can be broadened. These are some of the daycare procedures done by the dermatologist. Most of the cosmetic treatment require multiple sessions over few days, 2 weeks to months. So following a proper protocol as advised by the doctor. Pre-procedure and also post-procedure is of utmost importance. So consult your board certified dermatologist for healthy skin and lustrous hair.